Tracy and I are walking down the beach, and here's Jordie. Getting a bit tired. We've been walking for about half an hour to 35 minutes. She keeps wanting to disappear into the sand dunes. Hello, lovely. That's Whale Island up there. Out of sight is White Island, which explodes every 5 years or so. Massive pyrotechnic. What's the, not the lava flow. Anyway, huge explosions. Don't know those islands, they're Maori named islands. I had to take a big stick off Jordie because it was too big and she was wanting to carry it the whole way. It's supposed to be heavy rain today. Well, heavy rain on the mountains just behind us. Overcast here. Doesn't look too bad. I've got Jordie on the lead because she keeps, as I say, she keeps on looking for a way home. Technically, a 7-year-old Labrador could do 30 or 40 kilometers easily a day. Swim a couple of kilometers easily a day. But like us all, we have to train for it. How are you going, Jordie? Walking down to towards Whakatane. It's not actually a very far walk. Tracy and I do this walk in South Africa once every second week, I guess now. But the beach is much easier to walk on here. Amazing, no fishermen. There was one fisherman, but he was leaving. What? Too long. Whakatane, Mount Edgecombe, not Mount Edgecombe, Edgecombe is every 15 years they have a major disaster. This year they had a huge flood, and they've had 3 huge earthquakes. You know, we're reading one was 6.3 magnitude, which went on for 7 minutes. Destroying railroad tracks, railroad bridges. Amazing. Anyway, Whakatane. They have plenty.